lovelies, it's Odette. Welcome back to today's video. Hope you guys are well. Thank you for coming in for another video. I do appreciate you, and welcome to all of my brand new subscribers. I know some of my TikTok friends are actually on my channel. There was this one particular guy that I would chat every once in a while. Of course, you got to be really careful when you are on any sort of a social media platform engaging with anybody, but you have to have a sense of trust as well. And I was really surprised when he subscribed to my channel. I was just really surprised, and I thank him so much. I'm not going to reveal anyone's name, but I thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel. I've gained 32 extra subscribers. I'm up to 3,214, which is really good. It's growing nicely, and I'm hoping to get my channel grow to a bigger platform. And I thank you guys so much. So today we're going to be doing a very simple neutral makeup, monochromatic, a brown girl in the ring makeup today. And we're going to keep it, as you know, very simple. Okay, my face is already prepped and all of that is already done. And of course, everything I use, I always list it in the description box anyways. And so we're just going to get started. Let me just start with this eyeshadow palette. And I've shown you guys this palette before. I was doing some decluttering and I thought, should I not? But it doesn't really make sense I throw this out because, you know, there are so many colors in this palette that I have not used. So I'm not going to get rid of it. So I'm going to be using the yellow shades here. So of course I'm using these two yellow colors as a transition. And we're just going to blend this out. Again, dipping into both of them. And of course, just trying to make sure that everything is nicely blended out. Okay, there we go. I'm going in now with my Kat Von D palette, and this is a really lovely neutral palette. For many of you who loves neutral monochromatic look, which I'm going to be creating today, this is a perfect palette for you. And of course you can see there's a big dip in this color, and that's because it's my favorite, and it's going to be panned really soon. Okay, so we're just going to go in with this one. Okay, so this is nicely blended out evenly on both sides, and I'm keeping this look again very simple, very monochromatic. And I have to say though, my eyeshadow looks really depends on my mood, because there are sometimes I just can't be bothered you know, putting on makeup. So sometimes when I look back at some of my makeup videos, I'm like, no, I wasn't happy in that video. So it's a mood thing for me. And of course, you know, your makeup should be anything you want it to be. It doesn't have to be perfect. There is no rule that says, listen, your eyeshadows or your makeup should be a particular way. So I'm going in now with this flat brush. This brush came, I think, in a BoxyCharm box sometime back. It's a Lori brush, and it's nice and flat. I showed you guys this before. And again, this is going to just place the eyeshadow glue exactly where I want it. Because of course your girl cannot do a cut crease. Okay, I tried to do cut creases many times before, but I'm thinking, you know what, it's pointless doing it for me, that is. Okay, so I'm just going to place this glue right here, just almost in the center of my eyes. And of course I'm going in with another flat brush, and this is the eyeshadow palette from BH Cosmetics, and I showed you guys this before. And I'm going to be using this soft brown color just in the middle, and this is a very neutral palette, so we're just going to pack it in right here. Lovely. So I'm picking up now my Laura Geller palette, and I'm going to be using this lovely deep brown shade in the corner. And I'm going to be smoking up this corner, but I'm not going to be doing it too heavy just pretty light because this color is very pigmented. Okay, so the eyes are done. I went in with my black liquid eyeliner from Rituals, okay, and I did a tiny, tiny wing eyeliner. I'm not really good at doing it. And of course, this is just a general black eyeliner in the waterline. So we are going to be working on the face. I don't need a lot of color correcting on my face, but I'm going to use this color corrector from e.l.f. And again, I don't even know where to put it, but I'm just gonna, just put it like so. And maybe just over my forehead. Like I said, my skin is pretty much cleared up, so I don't really need a lot of product on my face. So we're just going to blend this out a little. And I love this color corrector from e.l.f. When you put this on your face, you don't see that orange kickback, because I know sometimes you do have a lot of orange color correctors and your face is going to look like an orange. But this one doesn't do that. Let me just show you again. I'm just going to put a little bit right here. And when I blend this out, you are not going to see any orange on my face. Okay? But it is going to nicely balance your skin. So now I'm going in with my foundation from Catrice Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Pecan, and I'm going to be using my Sephora foundation brush in the shade 47. I think I mentioned Morphe. It's not a Morphe brush. It is from Sephora, so we're just going to go in right now, and we're just going to go straight blending. This foundation dries pretty quickly, and this is one of those beautiful, perfect shades of foundation for my skin. And I really don't need to go in with too much. So I'm picking up now my concealer from Doll 10 Cosmetics, and I'm going to put this directly under my eyes. Okay, this concealer is so awesome. It has great skin benefits in this concealer. This concealer is going to help to balance my face out, and I'm just going to go straight to blending, and in like 2 seconds it's done. Okay, and I always blend up. I mean, you can go in with your setting powders with this concealer, but I don't use it that way. I just use it to balance my skin out. And this concealer prevents my under eyes from creasing. Okay, so on top of this, now I'm going in with my concealer from Benefit. I absolutely love this concealer. And with this one, I'm just going to do a little V, like so. Okay. And in a second, you're going to see how this is going to lift my eyes. So again, an angle brush. This is from Real Techniques, and this brush is from Amazon. Okay. And so I'm going to blend. I'm just got my hair out of the way. So we're just going to blend up like that. And immediately you will see that this basically lifts my eyes. It blends out in no time. Just like so. And do you see that lovely lift in my eyes? This is just magical. Always blend your concealers up. So I'm picking up now my Hourglass setting powder. And I'm just going to be using this lovely brush here from Morphe, and just tap it in here, and I like to just tap it off on the cover. Okay, and so I'm just going to stipple and brush it away. Okay, stipple and brush it away. just like so. So I'm now picking up my NW44 powder. This is from MAC. And I'm just going to powder my face. Okay, this is done. My skin is so nice and even. And now I'm picking up this She Glam blush, and this is called Smoked Rose. And I'm using the same powder brush to put a little bit of this on my cheeks. I love this shade. Anything rosy, like rosy blushes, I do like. And I feel like I don't like the shimmy ones because it makes my skin looks too glowy, and I don't like to have a glowing makeup look. So I always like to have something that's just nice and soft and rosy, similar to Goldfish from Nudgy Cosmetics. And just a little bit on the cheeks and just around my temple, just like so. Just to make the cheeks nice and rosy. Hope you can see that. Just a little color on my cheeks. That is very, very pretty. And so now I'm going in with this lipstick. This is from Core Beauty, and this is called Chestnut. This is one of the most incredible nude lipsticks I have worn. And in the meantime, let me just grab my lip liner, and this is from MAC, and it's called Mahogany. So we're going to be putting this on. A very, very neutral, gorgeous lipstick. Here we go. I mean, look at that, guys. Oh my God, this is beautiful. This is a very soft, beautiful matte lipstick. And so I'm going to go in now with my Mahogany lip liner. This lipstick is gorgeous. I mean, look at that. This is very, very pretty. And I don't use setting sprays anymore because I find it irritates my skin. So we are done with the makeup. We're just going to pull this down in the meantime. But I do have my eyelashes prepped right here. So I'm going to get these eyelashes on, and we're going to come back in 2 seconds to finish this look. Back in a minute. Okay, my lovelies, here we are. We are done with the makeup look. The lashes are on, and these are my brand of lashes. These are called Just Girly. If you want to place an order, you will be getting a 2-pack. Okay, so the ordering details will be down below. And this is the makeup look all done. This lipstick is called Chestnut from Shoppers Drug Mart. It's from the Core brand, QUO. And this lipstick is dynamite. It's one of the most beautiful nude lipsticks I have ever worn. And funny, when I picked this one here from, it's from Rare Beauty from Selena Gomez. This is called Wise. And I remember when I picked up this lipstick from Sephora, I wore this lipstick every single day. Look at it. I've worn it down. There's practically nothing left for this lipstick. It's called Wise, just in case you want to pick that up. But this one is absolutely stunning. It's a matte lipstick, very, very soft. It's not drying on the lips. It is absolutely gorgeous. And here it is. This is my face up close. Everything is all done. And so everything that I use on my face is going to be in the description box for you guys. And we are going to leave it here for today. Leave me your comments and your thoughts about this makeup look. I love when my makeup look is very, very neutral. Very, very monochromatic. Love this. Easy to create. Okay. And so I do hope you guys enjoy this. I was about to say, I do hope you guys enjoy this movie. It's not a movie, but it could be. Okay. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video today. Thank you for coming in for another video, and please come back next week for another video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, watch the video to the end. Love you guys so much. Appreciate all of you. Keep the subscriber count coming, and I thank you for watching. I shall see you next time. Toodles.